Hey friends, welcome back. You've probably heard all the hype about clover lawns. They're soft, drought-tolerant, and honestly, they look amazing. But what if I told you there's one huge problem with clover lawns that makes them a total no-go if you have kids or pets? In this video, I'll show you that problem and give you 3 perfect alternatives that are safe, soft, and absolutely stunning. Stick around. This could change the way you see your yard. So here's the deal. The number one problem with clover is that it flowers, and those flowers attract bees. Now, I love bees. They're essential for our planet. But in a backyard where your toddler plays barefoot, or where your curious dog is sniffing around, that's an accident waiting to happen. One sting can mean tears, a trip to the ER, or even a dangerous allergic reaction. And for me, that's just not a risk worth taking with family or pets. The good news? You don't have to go back to a boring, high-maintenance grass lawn. There are safer, gorgeous, bee-free options that create a perfect play space for your kids and pets. I've narrowed it down to my top 3. Let's jump right in. First up, elite perennial ryegrass. Forget the old, clumpy versions. New varieties are soft, fine-bladed, and incredibly tough. Why it's great? It feels amazing under bare feet, it's non-toxic, and it can handle running kids and zooming dogs like a champ. And here's the best part. It doesn't produce flowers that attract bees. Problem solved. Pro tip. Look for blends labeled shade and sun or playground mix for the best results. Next, if you want something that's not only beautiful but smells magical, go with dwarf creeping thyme. Varieties like elfin or pink chintz form a soft, cushiony carpet that releases a herbal scent when you step on it. It's drought-tolerant, low maintenance, and just gorgeous. And about the bees? These dwarf varieties flower very little, so no big attraction. Quick note. It's best for lighter traffic areas or around stepping stones, not the whole soccer field. And finally, Irish moss. This one looks like something out of a storybook. Soft, rich green, and incredibly inviting. Why it's great? It creates the most cushiony, emerald play surface for kids. Bee factor? Its tiny flowers are so insignificant that bees don't care. Heads up, it loves moisture and partial shade. So it's not for hot, dry spots, but in the right place, it's stunning. Quick recap. For a high-traffic, full-sun yard, go with perennial ryegrass. For a fragrant, beautiful, low-traffic area, try creeping thyme. For a shady, soft, emerald dream space, Irish moss is your winner. All 3 are bee-free, safe, and family-friendly. I hope this video gave you peace of mind and some great ideas for your own yard. If it did, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And I want to hear from you. Which one of these are you most excited about? Ryegrass, thyme, or Irish moss? Or maybe you've tried something else. Drop it in the comments. I read every one. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video, where we'll cover the easiest way to remove your old lawn and start fresh. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your new, worry-free yard, and I'll see you in the next one.